Best treadmill for home. Number 5. Max Pro PTM 405 2 HP 4 HP peak folding treadmill. Approx price 27,490 rupees. Motor 2.0 HP 4 HP peak DC quiet motor. Display 5 inch blue LCD display. Maximum user weight 110 kg. Lifetime frame warranty 1 year product and motor warranty. Number 4. Kokato CTM05 1.5 HP 2 HP peak DC motorized treadmill for home with 3-level manual incline. Approx price 17,999 rupees. Product dimensions 56.7 into 26.4 into 10 centimeters. Item weight 36 kilograms. Material alloy steel. Maximum user weight 90 kg. Number 3. Power Max Fitness TD-M1A1 series light foldable electric treadmill. Approx price 28,396 rupees. Product dimensions 153 into 74.3 into 125.5 centimeters. Item weight 50 kilograms. Material alloy steel. Maximum user weight 100 kg. Number 2. Lifelong Fit Pro LLTM09 2.5 HP peak manual incline motorized treadmill for home. Approx price 18,699 rupees. Material alloy steel. Item weight 31,000 grams. Dimensions 69 into 24.5 into 14.5 centimeters. Maximum user weight 100 kg. 1 year warranty. Number 1. Power Max Fitness MFT 410 manual treadmill. Approx price 12,865 rupees. 5 window LCD display. 4-in-1 jogger, stepper, twister and push-up bar. Running surface 158 into 332 mm. Product dimension 196 into 66 into 148 cm. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.